CLT Life presents Crumbl Cookies.
Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Grapponi here with the CLT Life, and today I'm at Crumbl Cookies. We're in the Stonecrest Shopping Center in South Charlotte. They also have a Tega Cay location, and we're going to go inside and talk to the franchise owner about cookies. All right, so we're inside the Crumbl Store, and I'm with Savannah. She is, along with her husband, she's a franchisee owner. So you own this one. We're in Stonecrest Shopping Center in South Charlotte. Where's your other location?
So we have another location in Tega Cay, South Carolina, off of Highway 160, right next to the Walmart. And we're also working on a Huntersville location and a Concord location. So the goal is to open about 13 in the Charlotte area.
Oh wow, you're taking over.
In the next few years.
That's
so
awesome.
Yeah, you'll be seeing a lot of us.
Well, let's see some of the cookies. I know you have some staples and you have others that are like cookies of the week.
Yes, exactly. So we always have our chocolate chip and our chilled sugar. Those are kind of our staple cookies. And then we actually have 120 cookie flavors that we rotate through. So we always have 4 specialty flavors of the week. These are the specialty flavors for this week. We did have leftover ingredients, so we are selling the leftover cookies from last week. Everything is baked fresh, warm every single day, so you can come into the store, get these big, nice cookies that are warm and fresh. So it's delicious. There's lots of different flavors, something for everyone.
So would you call this more of a cake cookie, or is it a traditional cookie? Or
so that's what's great about the 120 different cookies is some of them are really traditional cookies, like the chocolate chip ones, and then other ones are a little bit more cakey. So for example, this is our gingerbread cake. So it is a little bit more of a cakey consistency. So like I said, that's what's great about all of these different flavors, is there really is something for everybody.
Very nice. And I can see that you make them fresh in the store. So that's awesome. So
yeah. So we've got an open kitchen concept. Like I said, everything is baked fresh every single day. You can come in and see us cracking the eggs and mixing, and really there's no secrets. It's all out here. So we're very transparent about our process.
that's awesome. So obviously they can come into the store in Stonecrest or the one in Tega Cay. If they want to order or cater, how would they do that?
Yes, exactly. So we do curbside and delivery, and then we also do catering. So these are our catering cookies. We can do the little mini ones or the big ones. But if you want to do that, you can go on crumblcookies.com and order them, or the website, or you can contact me and my husband directly, and we can definitely put any of those orders through for you.
Thanks so much. Well, hey, we really appreciate you being here. For anyone with a sweet tooth like me, we love it when there's a new cookie place to come. So we're really excited to have you here in the Charlotte area. So welcome to Charlotte. All right.
Thanks for watching the CLT Life presents Crumbl Cookies. You can see more of our videos at thecltlife.com or follow us on social media at thecltlife704. Thanks for watching.